In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide character in Character AI. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Character AI on your device and head over to your account. Now in here, go ahead and converse with a character which you want to hide later on. Once you converse with this character, you'll be able to find this character under recent chats. So if you want to hide this character on your recent chats, what you can do is first to head back to the homepage of Character AI where you can find all of your recent chats on Character AI. Long press the character that you want to hide and click on the hide character button. So how do you unhide it? To unhide a character, the first thing that you'll need to do is to remember the character's name. After that, head over to the explore section and search for the character's name using the search bar. Now on the results page, you'll be able to find the character. You can click on the character and this will allow you to unhide the character on your Character AI account. Now if you can't remember the character, there's no other option for you to try to remember the character name all over again to be able to unhide it from your recent chats or your profile. Thank you for watching, and that's how you can simply unhide a character in Character AI. We'll see you in the next video.